Although there are many different ways to grow your business, fundamentally, everything fits into 4 key options. First, you can sell more of your current product or service to your current customers. Second, you can develop a new product or service. Third, you can sell your current product or service to a new market. And fourth, you can develop a new product or service and sell it into an entirely new market. This model is known as the Ansoff Matrix, or Product Market Expansion Grid, and is a useful guide to help you sort through your ideas. Let's look at each of the 4 areas briefly. There's a diagram of the model online if you want to follow it. The first option, which is also the easiest and least risky way to grow your business, is to sell more of your existing products or services to your current customers, or people like them. This is known as market penetration. You could do this by promoting your business more widely so that you can reach more of your target audience, and you could offer a special price or promotion to encourage them to buy. You could consider introducing a loyalty scheme to current customers and rewarding them if they buy more or buy more frequently. You may be familiar with companies that give points to customers for every purchase and convert these points into discount off future purchases. Or the offers from restaurants where you get a free main meal on your 4th visit. The second option is to develop a new product or service and sell it to your current customers. This is known as product development. Whilst developing new products and services is risky, the advantage is that you already know your customers. You know what motivates them and the sort of products and services they may want. It's also very much easier and more cost-effective to go back to satisfied customers and sell them something new than it is to find completely new customers. Here are 2 examples of product development. First, a plumber who targets people who want a new kitchen or bathroom may offer a tiling service. And secondly, a specialist delicatessen may introduce a range of chutneys to complement their cheese and cold meats. Have a look at the Creating New Products module for more on this option. The third option is market development. This means selling your current product or service to a new market. You could target a new geographical area and perhaps open a new shop or salon in a different town. Or you could use a different channel to get to your customers. For example, if you sell from a shop, you may decide to also sell online on your own website. Exporting is another way to gain access to new markets and a larger pool of customers. Whilst this is high risk and can take considerable time, there is also potential for high return. Get advice from your Business Wales business advisor if you're considering exporting. Another option to expand your market is franchising your business. Franchising is a way to multiply your business and extend into new markets. You give a license to another business owner, which allows them to trade as their own business under your brand name, following your proven business model. There's detailed information about franchising available from the British Franchise Association or your Business Wales business advisor. The fourth option is diversification. This is the highest risk strategy for growing your business. It can help your business weather tough times if your original market dries up, stops growing, or is hit by competition. It's proved to be an effective strategy for many farmers. As their traditional business declines, they've looked at perhaps developing holiday cottages or leisure facilities such as mountain biking or even golf courses. Each of these options requires different strategies and actions, as well as different skills and resources. Consider the risks as well as the benefits before deciding which is the most appropriate to grow your business.